Puck system ready. This 2-5/16" gooseneck ball fits the factory puck system of select Chevrolet, Ford, GMC, Nissan Titan XD and Ram pickup trucks. Highly versatile. Add useful, versatile towing options to your vehicle with this Class 1 trailer hitch. It provides a standard 1-1/4 inch x 1-1/4 inch receiver hitch, allowing you to tow a small trailer or mount a cargo carrier or bike rack. Easy to use. To install this OEM-style gooseneck ball, simply lift and twist the patented top lever. This releases the stainless steel retention balls in the shank. Then, drop the gooseneck ball into the factory puck gooseneck ball hole in the truck bed. High strength. Rated to tow gooseneck trailers up to 30,000 pounds, this 2-5/16" gooseneck ball is made from forged, machined steel. It is also tested according to U.S. VESC V-19 specifications for safety. Corrosion resistant. This gooseneck tow ball is finished for tough jobs and relentless weather. It has a chrome plating to maintain excellent corrosion resistance in spite of the elements. Outfitting your pickup to tow a heavy-duty flatbed or livestock trailer is easy with the CURT OEM puck system gooseneck ball. Like our OEM puck system safety chain anchors, this 30K gooseneck ball utilizes the puck system built into certain pickup trucks today with the towing prep package. It features a patented installation system, operating with a simple quarter-turn latch lock for ease of use and a secure mount. Retention balls, built into the shank, keep the gooseneck ball fixed into the receiver hole and keep your trailer locked on tight. It provides a ball diameter of 2-5/16 and has a gross trailer weight capacity of 30,000 pounds. It also comes with a durable chrome finish and meets U.S. V-19 specifications for safety. This particular OEM puck system gooseneck ball is compatible with Chevrolet, Ford, GMC, Nissan Titan XD and Ram pickups with the truck bed puck system. It is not designed to fit any other gooseneck ball holes. The ball can be purchased as a standalone item or as part of a complete kit that also includes the OEM puck system safety chain anchors, a rubber hole cover and a durable storage case. Top reviews from the United States. Very pleased. Great quality product. Worked great and as expected. No issues and quick delivery.